Hello, welcome to CyberRealEstate. Today episode, we going over everything, all the investments for today. So let's get it started. Everything recording. And I'm start off with Top Shot. They got some new stuff going on here. So I think I'm trying to complete the sets on here. Just gonna complete the sets, have fun with this Top Shot. I like Top Shot. Make moments. So let me go ahead and reserve this playoff pack they got. All right, yo, package reserved. So now I had to playoff pass. So now I'll go ahead and build a class and see what new stuff they got. Haven't been on it in like a week, but I'm always interested in see what they have. Okay, got some playoff cards and stuff and holiday. So that's cool. They got some playoff cards. Let's look at the packs. Premium pack sold off. Then you got the playoff packs. And let's see. Look like they had some more packs this week. Missed out on these, but let's see what else they have. This come out on June 11th, so come off in a couple more days. So I'll be here to pick this up, swoop this up, $14, and come with 2 common cards. So it'll be 2 cards in that pack for $14. So that's that. So now let's get into some cyber real estate, some digital assets, more digital assets. Let's see, what do we have here? The last thing I brought was, last thing I'm starting back in it is, I'm back in the T2S. Let's see, I gotta do my entry for today. That's what I'm gonna do. T2S entries. So I've been putting 10 Tron in here. Go ahead and collect that. Because it's a good deal, the market's down. You gotta buy low, sell high, on stuff. Most people do the opposite. Most people buy high and then sell low. It's like, yeah, you never make any profit like that. This is a long term. Crypto is a long term game. Not really. I mean, you do some short term game, but when the market's down, you can't just get rid of everything. Sometimes you gotta be patient. And yeah, today we had some big dip. Bitcoin down to 3,200. But the next bull run, Bitcoin should go up to 100,000. So with that come, you want to be ready. Dogecoin down to 32 cents. I want to get some Uniswap. That's down right now. Uniswap down to 28. I bought my first pancake yesterday. Well, my first, but I bought another pancake. I have one pancake now. I'm building my bag of that. I think that's a good one long term. I want to get Uniswap. I use Uniswap. This internet thing right here, I want to start some more of that. That's down right now. This internet computer, ICP, I'm gonna get some more of that. So it's a great time to buy. I'm looking to buy all this back up and wait for the next bull run. Where's Tron at? Tron down 7 cents, so it's still not that bad. It's down 8% on a week. So Tron's still holding strong out of all of them. So I collected for today. I gotta get back to doing my options on here. This is perfect time to grind. It's in the recession. And go ahead, enter the daily option. I'm putting my 10 Tron, get my T2S back. Just grinding some more. So I'm put 10 in here. And that's projected to give me 3,000. So it should give me 3,000 to 2,000 Some more industry come in, so I get the West. Actually, I be getting 1,000. Actually, 10 trying to get 1,000 T2S. So that's a steal right now. That's the best bargain buy right now in crypto. Uh, I'm still staking this. I never give up on a platform that I can see it be great long term. So I still have some of these staked. And let's see, T2S. This is the thing I got into this the ROI X, and I put 100,000 T2S in here, and it's making more T2S up to times 2%. And then on here, I have you also make Tron out of this as well. So I have just Tron accumulating. Since everything is in a bear market, I'm not gonna cash this out. I'll start selling this in the bull market once the market goes and the price is twice as much. But right now I'm just stacking in, and I'm about to actually add. No, I'm not gonna add. Let's see, I add 10 more thousand T2X to this right here. Stack up in the recession time. I can add 10 more thousand. And this is how lifetime. Like I'm on my calendar today. I'm just managing my digital assets and I build that generational wealth. A little bit each time, a little bit each day. A small gain is better than a huge loss. Just remember that. You gotta grind. It's a grind, crypto. You don't try to get all in one day. Do a little bit at a time and slowly build your house, your cyber real estate house. All right, that's done. So some other I want to build up now in the recession is I'm gonna go with this DSP. I'm gonna do the DSP contract as DSP. I'm gonna do DSP. This is pretty much dead token. Right now it's really low. So guess what? Dead tokens, you don't gotta invest a lot. They get a lot. One thing about dead tokens, like it can't go nothing but up. So, and you don't gotta invest a whole lot of money to make something off of it. So a lot of people is like it's dead, but you never know. It could blossom in the future. But the contract is written in code, so it's on the blockchain. So you might as well stack up a little bit, especially if you don't gotta pay much. So I'm going into one Tron. That's it. One Tron in here. I'm just gonna collect my bag. Sometimes you gotta keep it simple, like 7 cents. It's gonna give me how much of this coin? It's gonna be it's gonna give me 100,000 of this coin for 7 cents. You get 100,000 DSP for 7 cents. Like that's a no-brainer to me. Should get 100,000 anything for 7 cents. It's a good deal in my book. Well, and it's just money, like digital assets. So I'm doing that on my journey, and then I'm also buying CSC because it's real cheap right now. I go on the auction lobby. It's just about long term thinking right here. Concentration and thinking. And right now, into one trying here and get 800,000 of these. Like you can't beat that. Get 800,000 of a token, a crypto token, like for 7 cents. Like that's a steal right there. 7 cents, give me 700,000 CSC, and the program's still up and running. And so I'm gonna enter one here and one Tron. It's only one other person entering the lobby. I mean, one day I saw this was me right here. I got the whole bag that day. I got 1.6 million. I got 1.6 million CSE. You can't beat that, man. 1.6 million of a coin for 7 cents. Like they giving these bad boys away. So you can't go wrong. Like 7 cents, you get 1.6 million. Like the worst that could happen, like it's 7 cents. You lose 7 cents. So it's like 7 cents. But it's huge upside. This thing come back around. That 7 cents, you got 1.6 million of them. Shoot, if it go up to 10 cents, shoot, uh, that's a lot of dimes right there. And so that's a 1.6 million dimes. So I'm just buying good bargains right now in crypto, and I just think it's a good bargain. It's still around, been around for like 200 days. Look at that, been around 221 days. Site's still functional, still going, and it's in the blockchain code, so you can still do this on the code, do the contract address. So those are two things I'm still grinding. I'm still in here grinding. Only a few of us here getting kind of lonely. You know, the best trade when it's lonely with nobody entering. Like nobody entered this day. It was a zero. Nobody got any tokens. But somebody could got 1.6 million for like 7 cents. They could got 1.6 million. I did this day, but I was busy. 'Cause I'm working a lot right now, so I'm not posting as often. But there was me that day. I cooked the whole bag, and you gotta take advantage of the opportunity. You gotta have your convictions and stick with what you believe that's good. And if you think it's a good platform, and you can put like 7 cents, and you can get like the whole bag, why not? You got nothing to lose. Like it can't go down. It's pretty much like they giving it away. So you gotta take the free bags. Anything you get 1.6 million crypto for 7 cents, go ahead and put that 7 cents. I mean, that probably be the best investment you ever made. Putting 7 cents in the token and getting like 1.6 million. I mean, that's a win-win in my book. Like you can't lose on that. Like especially if it's in the DNA coding of the blockchain. So at some point, it can still go up in value, and you're gonna have more than that 7 cents since you hold 1.6 million of the token. So that's that. Um, I'm looking to buy up in the bull market. I've been prepared for this. I sold at the top. I sold like 11 grand. In the bull when everything is sky high, when Ethereum was 4,000. When Ethereum was 4,000, I already then sold. I guess down to 2,500, but when Ethereum was 5,000, 4,000, I sold a good, like pretty much 90% of my Ethereum, cashed out on like 4,000, like 3,000 Ethereum. And I cashed out all my tokens. I cashed out 11,000 total. And now I'm barreling my bags in the bear market. This is how you get wealth in the bear market. When stuff is going down, when everybody's walking away, this is when a good buying opportunity. If we start buying the dips. So that's what I'm doing. Just show you the dips I was buying. I'm still grinding Top Shot, love Top Shot and everything. I'm reserved. Pick this up June 11th. And yeah, I'm still grinding crypto. That's my hobby right now. I love crypto. I'm in it for long term. I like the passive income, laptop lifestyle, and and all my digital assets. And also we have the CyberRealEstate bot. It's closed down here now, but you saw that earlier. The CyberRealEstate bot, it's up and running. I made actually I didn't. I don't think I sold the bot. Let me get the bot up. So the CyberRealEstate bot. It's gonna take a second to load. Let me show you the bot. This bot I created from scratch, from words and wisdom of other people, and just did like that. Could do it on Drumline, like Nick Cannon on Drumline, where he can read the notes and stuff like that, but he can pick up on the sound, and if he hear enough time, then he can make a formula. Well, I can make a formula and for something, and draw a line on that movie. He couldn't read the notes of like all the technical analysis and stuff, like read the notes and music. But on Drawline Nick Cannon, he was he getting bored by it, like sound, like that was his talent. Like he will listen to a beat, listen to it, and then he can drumline it, like no matter what. But he really couldn't read it, but he can just listen to the music and play any song. Was really talented on that movie. That's one of my favorite movies, Drumline. And I pretty much create this spot just by watching YouTubers and stuff, hearing what they've been talking about, technical analysis, alligator, and all that. And I created this bot, this just by taking knowledge, and basically it automatically runs for me. And you see this little line, it's gonna automatically take profit when it hit that line, automatically sell when they come buy more when we dip below there. And you see it's like a perfect harmony with this the trading. Like the trading usually go 300 pips, so it's going 300, it takes 300 pips, and if it goes down 300 pips, it buy a new trade, and it's in perfect harmony with the I'm doing GBP USD, and it matches the lows and highs of the day. This CyberRealEstate buy. So when it goes down, it automatically buys the trade, and then when as soon as it buys down, it be ready to pick up, and then it sell at the top. Yeah, you see right there, it sold. It bought more at the bottom, and then it started to go up, and then it sold here at the top. So it's in perfect harmony with the forex trading right now, and I create that by just listening to people how to trade and stuff like that, and I finally got it down. So that's my creation right there. So I really bought. So let's see how it did. Trade profit history, and then for the week, scroll down here, and automatically just do the trades. 330 pips trades. I'm up $16 for the week, and then try to do the month. Gonna take a while. The month I got to scroll through all these trades. All the trades is done. And it's up $98 for the month. So not bad. Some passive income. You know, I'm happy with this. I'm comfortable with this. I can always put more money in here, get bigger gains, but I'm happy with $98 a month. You know, I have a job. I have 2 jobs. That's 2 incomes there. Got CyberRealEstate bot. I have Tron. I have Top Shot. I got money in there. I got Robinhood. So money coming in every day. I got this money coming in while I'm asleep, living a laptop dream. Sitting on my couch making money while I sleep. Got bots that trades for me. So I'm enjoying the CyberRealEstate lifestyle. You know, I hope y'all enjoyed this episode of CyberRealEstate. And I do want y'all to check out the CyberRealEstate bot that's on the CyberRealEstate elite tree at the very bottom. I think I got it up for $15. You know, that's nothing but a piece of from Round Table. So you can check that out, buy that on the library. And that's it for today's episode of CyberRealEstate. Hope y'all enjoyed the content. And yeah, I've put my money in these bots instead of high yield program. This bot I created, I don't really do a high yield program, and I buy coins like you said, good bargains. As once I showed before, I'll be the only person in, and I'll be buying the CSC. Be buying all. I got I'm the only man here, and I'm hoping to take the whole pot, the whole 1.5 million. And I just enjoy doing stuff like that. You know, finding good deals and never giving up on a project and keep going. when against all odds. You know, that's my thing. So I hope y'all enjoyed this episode of Cyber Real Estate. Trying to teach people how to build generational wealth. And thank y'all for watching. Check out the links down below. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching Cyber Real Estate. See you next episode. Peace.